Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow automatic download for documents on WhatsApp web on your PC. With the latest update, this feature has become even more accessible, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening WhatsApp web on your computer. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen, just like on your mobile device. Now, look to the left side of the interface. You'll notice a menu with various options. Locate and click on the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. This will open up your WhatsApp web settings. In the settings menu, you'll see several categories. We're interested in the chats section, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you can customize various aspects of your chat experience. Within the chat settings, you'll find an option called Media Auto Download. Click on this to access the auto download preferences for different types of media. Here's the crucial step. In the Media Auto Download section, you'll see checkboxes for different file types. Look for the one labeled Documents, and make sure to check that box. This action enables automatic downloading for all document files sent to you through WhatsApp web. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed automatic downloads for documents on WhatsApp web. From now on, when someone sends you a document, it will download automatically without you having to click on it manually. This can be a real time saver, especially if you frequently receive important files through WhatsApp. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it if you change your mind. If you ever want to disable auto downloads for documents, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your streamlined WhatsApp web experience with automatic document downloads.